Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with me at CVS this week. We have such amazing deals because we got this big hair event coupon for $10 off of $40. Every single person got this. This is a store coupon, so you can stack that with other manufacturer coupons, which is gonna make for an incredible deal. We also have really good deals on Dawn products, laundry products. We also have diaper deals, so many great things that you guys can stock up on. And as you know, if you've been a subscriber for a while, all I do is use my phone. No paper coupons, no newspapers, no nothing. Try to make it as easy as possible for you guys to be able to get these deals. Below for you in the description box is a printable breakdown as well as a bunch of other resources for you. There are some ibotta rebates that we're going to be using as well that I let you guys know to make sure you activated yesterday on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, definitely do so. I share a bunch of other strategies on my stories to make sure you don't miss any great deals. My Instagram is at BreeCouponQueen3. And if you're new to ibotta, my link will be below for you guys as well. Let's head inside of CVS and take advantage of some amazing deals. Oh yeah, one more thing. For ibotta, check and see if you have this rebate for 2% cash back. Any receipt that you submit to ibotta with the 2% back, you'll get that 2% back. You don't need other rebates on it as well. And then two, as always, check Rakuten. Make sure that you activate the in-store offer. So anytime you are using the payment method that you link on Rakuten, you're gonna earn that percentage cash back as well on your out-of-pocket cost. These are just the strategies that I try to help share and teach with you guys to help you stack your deals to truly maximize your savings. Okay, let's go.
So first we're gonna start with some oral care deals. The one I'm gonna do first is on the Crest. These are buy 3, you're gonna earn back a $5 extra buck and they're on sale for $3.99. You're gonna grab 3 of them, make sure they're 2.4 ounces or more because we have a coupons 24 coupon for $6 off of 3, which is a higher value coupon than the one on the CVS app. The coupons 24 app is completely free to download. Just go to the app store and get it downloaded. So then you're gonna wind up paying $5.97, getting back a $5 extra buck. Then we're gonna submit to ibotta for 50 cents cash back each, gives you $1.50 cash back. Makes your final net cost free and a 53-cent moneymaker for 3 tubes of toothpaste. So we are off to a great start this week. The next oral care deal we're gonna do is on the expensive Crest. So these are $8.99 on sale. And whenever you buy 2, you'll get a $5 extra buck. So what I'm gonna do is grab one of the gum ones. You can grab the gum sensitive, gum detox, doesn't matter, at $8.99. We have a $4 digital coupon on the CVS app. Then I'm gonna grab one of these Crest 3D White Brilliance. There is a separate $4 off 1 digital coupon. So I'm grabbing all 5 of these in the same transaction because I also have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, which is a store coupon. Not everyone's gonna have that one, so definitely double check, see if you do. So because I have that coupon now for this deal, I'm gonna wind up only paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 extra buck, plus I'm submitting to ibotta for $2 cash back each, which is $4 cash back. Makes it free and a $3.55 moneymaker. Now the ibotta rebate for these and these are gone unless you already had them activated. If you already had them activated, you're gonna click the little icon in the bottom right. It's like 3 lines. You'll see them there. That means they're gonna be disappearing very soon, so you're gonna wanna do this deal really quick. Next, let's move on to the hair care deal this week using this CRT for 10 off of 40 that everyone got. This is a store coupon. So the first deal we're gonna do is the Tresemme. They're regularly priced, but they're buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. You wanna grab 2 of these smaller ones here at $5.99. They're the cheapest ones. There is a 5 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app, so you're gonna clip that. My store only has 1 of these, so I'm gonna have to grab something else as well. So my totals are gonna be a little bit different. You can also come over here to the other styling products for Tresemme. These are all included as well, but be careful. I was gonna grab this one because it was the next cheapest product, but when I scanned it, it does not work with the 5 off 2 digital coupon. So what I wound up doing is just grabbing one of these larger bottles here that's $7.79. The next deal we're grabbing is on the Pantene. So these are regularly priced as well. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. Works on the Pantene, Head & Shoulders, Herbal Essences, Aussie, Old Spice hair care. So we're gonna do Pantene. Cheapest ones here are the $5.99. Then on the Coupons 24 app, there is a 5 off 2 digital coupon, which is higher value than the CVS app. So you're gonna clip that. Another deal you can add into the hair care CRT is going to be on the Clairol Color Strong. So these are $15.99. Buy one, get a $3 extra buck, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon in the CVS app. Another deal I was gonna do, but my store is out, is on the Monday products, but you want the leave-in conditioner because these are the cheapest ones at $5.99. They're buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $4 extra buck. Plus we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. So we do have to switch up our deal a little bit compared to what I had on my breakdown. So what I'm gonna do is grab one of these Sunbum hair masks. They're on promotion, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna grab one. When you scan it on the CVS app, you just wanna make sure that it does work with the 10 off 40 hair CRT, and this one does. So this will put me over the $40 mark, so let's go over the deal. So these are the 7 products that I wound up getting. I did wind up doing the Monday. I got these two. They're $8.29, buy one, get one half off. So total for all these products is $42.38. Then we have a $3 digital, a $5, and a $5 digital coupon, plus that $10 CRT. You'll pay $19.38. Then you're gonna earn back a $4 extra buck, a $5 extra buck, and a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost $5.38 for all 7 products, or about 76 cents a piece, which I personally think is a great deal. Now, how about we get to some diaper deals? If there's a good deal on diapers, you know I'm gonna bring it to you every single week. This week on Pampers, they have a really good promotion. They're $10.99 on sale. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. I'm gonna grab 2 of the Pampers Swaddlers. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon on the CVS app. You'll pay $18.98, earn back a $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $13.98 for 2 of them, or $6.99 a piece. A little bit less than $7 a piece, which is pretty much the average that we get for Pampers, but I'll take the savings. It's a great stock up price, and I can always use diapers. You also want to make sure that you download the Pampers Rewards app. Again, completely free to download. When you open it, like right here on the inside, there'll be a QR code that you're gonna scan. So every time you use a pack of Pampers and you scan it, you're gonna track towards a $10 reward that you can then use as a gift card payment towards your next purchase of Pampers diapers. So definitely worth it. It takes 2 seconds and it's free money at the end of the day, so download it. Next deal is on Olay body wash. It doesn't seem like there would be a deal because there's no extra bucks or anything. They're on sale for $6.95. Hopefully you guys follow me on my Instagram at Brie Coupon Queen 3. I always share little tidbits, and on my stories yesterday, I told you guys to activate the 2 offers on Ibotta for Olay. We had double stacking offers. Well, they're no longer available today unless you activated them yesterday. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that. Check my stories every day. I give you a ton more strategies and help you guys make sure you don't miss any great deals. What I'm gonna do is grab 3 of them. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $15.85. Submit to Ibotta. I'm gonna get $3 back on 2 and $2 cash back each. Makes my final cost $6.85 for all 3, which is an amazing deal. Then we have an amazing deal on Venus and Gillette disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99 this week. Buy 2, earn back a $3 extra buck. So grab one of the Venus disposable. There is a $3 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. Next, you're gonna come grab one of the Gillette disposable razors at $6.99 as well. There is a separate $3 digital coupon. So for the 2 razors, after the coupons come off, you'll pay $7.98, earn back a $6 extra buck, makes them 99 cents a piece. That's an insane stock up price. So definitely grab them if they're razors that you like. Next, we're gonna do the household deal this week, which is spend $25, earn back an $8 extra buck, which is actually not a bad promotion. What I'm gonna do first is grab 2 of the Dawn. 1 of the Power Suds. It is on sale for $5.99. I scanned it on the CVS app. Then I'm gonna use the $2 coupon from the Coupons 24 app and get a Dawn Power Wash, and use the other $2 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Next, we're grabbing this large Gain Scent Booster on sale for $9.99. Works with a $2 coupon on the CVS app. The last product we're gonna grab to get us over the $25 mark is a Tide Pods at $5.49 with a $1.50 digital coupon. Total for all these products is $27.47, so we're over $25, we're good to go. After all the coupons come off, you're gonna pay $19.96 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back the $8 extra buck, makes your final cost $11.96 for 4 products or $2.99 a piece. That's an amazing deal, even compared to Walmart. You're still paying $5 for these at Walmart. That's probably even more expensive. So definitely an amazing deal. I personally love Dawn as well. And these smell delicious, so we're grabbing them.
Okay, we're back in from CVS. This is the first time in forever that we had issues at checkout. Oh, so let me show you guys what happened. Part of it was the Coupons 24 app. Actually, most of it was the Coupons 24 app. So I'm not sure what was going on with that. If you guys figure out a better process, please let us know in the comments below to make sure that everybody can score these deals. So first deal I did, I wanted to do both of the Crest deals and the hair care deal. Now, the Crest deals, there was the 6 off 3 from the Coupons 24 app, and then the 2 $4 coupons from the CVS app. Those coupons were not coming off because the 6 off 3 was not attaching to the $3.99 ones. It kept grabbing the expensive ones. So I had him void it, re-ring it. I had him ring the $3.99 ones first, then the other 2, hoping the $6 would attach to that, leaving the 2 $4 coupons. Still didn't work. So I had him just take off those $4, take off the expensive Crest. So then I couldn't use the 4 off 20 CRT, so that moneymaker kind of went. Then a mistake that I made, I swear I scanned him while I was in store. The Crest that I grabbed is not the Crest that works with the ibotta rebate. Like the smaller Crest for the 50-cent rebate. So that's totally my fault. But anyway, so that happened. So then it just wound up being a little bit different than what it was supposed to. So I knew it was still wrong. Or maybe not. Okay, so now the receipt is a little weird because then I had him take it off and then rescan the coupon, so it looks a little weird. So I did the Crest and I did the hair care products. This manufacturer coupon is for the Pantene, 5 off 2. 5 off 2 for the Tresemme, $3 for the Monday, $6 is for the Crest. Then the hair care CRT came off, and then my extra bucks from last week. Paid with a Fetch Rewards gift card, the rest that I had left over. Then this receipt I was not able to submit to Ibotta because, like I said, I got the wrong Crest, so that was my fault. But I did get all my extra bucks back on that. Then my second transaction, I did the Gillette, the Venus, the Olay, and the Pampers. So here's the Olay coupon, Venus, Gillette, and Pampers. These were all CVS coupons, so I didn't have any issues. Rolled all my extra bucks from my second transaction. Would have been $26 out of pocket. I had $10.84 left from my Fetch Rewards gift card. So I paid out of pocket $15.41. Then I submitted over to Ibotta, got $9 cash back plus that 2% back. The 2% will calculate off of the $26.25. So I haven't done that math to let you guys know, but I don't know, maybe it's $1 or something like that. I'll let you guys know at the end when we enter everything into my budget spreadsheet. Then I got my extra bucks from that and I rolled it into this, and I had another issue with the Coupons 24 app. So I did the Gain, the Tide, the Dawn, and the Dawn. Only one of the Dawn coupons came off. Used my extra bucks, so I paid an extra $2 out of pocket than I should have. So it was $15.89. It's supposed to be $13.89. And then no coupons back on this one either. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I submitted to Fetch Rewards. I forgot to put this in the video. The Tresemme, you get $1 back when you buy 2. For some reason, it also gave me $1 back for buying 1 shampoo and 1 styling product, even though I grabbed 2 shampoos, like shampoo and conditioner. So I'm not sure if that was just like a glitch or what, but we got another $2 back from that. Plus on Rakuten, because I paid out of pocket with a card that I linked on my Rakuten account, I wound up getting back another 79 cents. So we're gonna add up all the cash back that we got, let's head home. We're gonna enter everything into our budget spreadsheet so we can see how much we wound up saving and what our final cash cost is. The spreadsheet calculates everything for me, so I don't even have to worry about it. So let me show you how to use it. All right, we're back home from CVS, so let's put in the 3 different transactions into the digital budget spreadsheet. This is the simplest way to know exactly how much you spent and of course how much you saved. If you guys want to get this downloaded, I linked it below in the products of this video, or you guys can just go to my website, briecouponqueen.com/budget. So what we're gonna do is put each line as a transaction. It's just the easiest way that I've done it. You can do all of it in one transaction, in one line if you want, totally up to you. So my first one was $54.35 worth. My out-of-pocket cost was $0 because I paid with a Fetch Rewards gift card. The rewards that I paid with was $10.39. And then Fetch gift card was $16.68. Total cash back I earned was $2. And then rewards I earned back was $19. My second transaction, the product value with all the sale prices was $56.81. My out-of-pocket was $15.41. Rewards I used was $19, right? Because I earned $19, I always automatically use it immediately. Fetch gift card was $10.84. Cashback was $9.52. And then rewards I earned back was $8. And my last transaction was $27.47. Out of pocket was $15.89. Rewards I used was $8. Again, this is always gonna match and come right over. And for me anyway, because I'm always rolling my rewards, that's super important as far as lowering your out-of-pocket cost. And then cash back. I didn't get cash back on this one, but from Rakuten for the different transactions, I did earn back 79 cents. So I'm just gonna add that here. And then rewards I earned back was $8. So first transaction was a $2 moneymaker. Second transaction cost me $5.89. Third transaction cost me $15.10. So it shows you the amount that you saved as well as far as a percentage. Then what it's gonna do for you is automatically update this. So I saved almost $800 so far this month, which absolutely blows my mind. I knew this was gonna be my biggest month of saving. I'm so excited. And then percentage saved here is 84%, which is also the biggest savings month. Now, budget remaining, I only have $4.32 that I'm able to spend when I go to Walgreens today. So I really gotta make sure that I am tight and I'm making sure that I'm arranging my transactions the right way because that is super, super important. If you guys have any questions or anything about how to coupon, using the budget, anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed yet, please take a second, hit my face icon. I'm at 95,000 subscribers. I am so close to hitting 100,000 and it would just absolutely make my day. So if you've ever gotten any value or any good deals from my channel and you're not subscribed yet, shows about 50% of you guys are not subscribed. It's free.